Seawater does not have only salt on it. It has a huge collection of different cations and anions, everything dissolved in the water. So with time, these impurities will start accumulating and depositing inside the electrodes of the SEACLOR. In order not to lose efficiency, the system will have to go through an acid cleaning every now and then. The main suspects here for the sapping of efficiency of the system are normally calcium and magnesium ions. This will create a fouling which will resemble like a white concrete on the electrode. This can be put aside by using the cleaning wash every now and then. Period once you have to do this, the acid cleaning will vary depending on the type of seawater you have around your installations. The more impurities in the water, the higher the period, the after the period you have to do the acid cleaning. Here we have two types of installation of acid cleaning. On the picture below, this is a fixed installation where you have the acid tank and some dosing pumps which you can then do the acid cleaning. On the picture above, this is for smaller installations where you can have the complete acid cleaning accessories installed in a cart, and then you can move the cart along as you see fit for the acid cleaning. For the acid cleaning, it's a very simple system. If you have it already installed, it can be everything automated. You just close down this water feed on the entrance of the electrolyzers. You close down the feed of the storage tank and you just recirculate the acid inside the electrolyzer systems. With the help of a pH messing unit and instrument, you will see that the potency of the acid will start to diminish with time, so the pH will start to increase a little bit up until a point that it doesn't increase anymore. By reaching that point, you already reached the completely full acid cleaning, so you can reconnect your system and start operating again. The whole system takes just a few minutes, less than an hour to be complete, so it's very easy to operate and you have almost no hands to be used here. You can automate the whole processes. For the SEACLOR, normally we use chlorhydric acid at 6% concentration.